Hello, my name is Warren Kinley. I'm an integration consultant. I've been working with Nodinite for over 6 months now. Today we'll be walking through part of the install and update. Step 3, installing and configuring install and update tool. I'd like to direct you to the documentation, which can be found at docs.nodinite.com. And today we'll be doing the install and update. And as you can see, I've already brought up the stage that we'll be looking at today. If you look at the previous videos I've done, we've already done some of the prerequisites. So we'll jump straight into downloading the new version of the install tool, which can be found here at the Nodinite portal. First of all, you'll need to create an account. So when you register on the portal, you'll then have the option to go to the marketplace, and here we'll be installing the Nodinite core, and we'll start with the install and update tool. So the documentation says downloading the latest version from Nodinite. So let's start. 6.0.0.4. Now that we have the Nodinite update installer downloaded, we can start the installation. So we accept the end user license agreement. We are going to install both the update service and the update client to the C drive. Follow the instructions as well at the same time. Now we come on to the account configuration. So this is the service account that we have created in the previous installation steps, prerequisites. The domain the service account is local. It's a local account. Named it Nodsys. Just get the password. Get this one. That's the Nodinite service account information. Website selection. We'll install it to the default website, and we'll let it install. So after the installation, we can open the update client. So we won't automatically. We'll open it with an edge. Let's make this a little bit larger. Let's open it from here. There you go. Let's look at these side by side so we can see what's going on. So once the Nodinite update service has been installed, we can open the update client. Upon first opening the client, which is here, you can see that it's given us a warning to say that we must give at least one user access. So let's have a look at that now. Finally, let's click on the documentation, which is managing the Nodinite install and update tool. You can see here the first option here, assign access rights. Make sure you add yourself to the list of allowed users before adding anyone else. Yellow box there. So let's do that. Access management. There's a button here, add me. We'll go ahead and do that. So now Kinley W has access to the update client. There's also if you locked yourself out for some reason, you can actually edit it through the configuration file. Okay, so that's the update service installed. Yeah, and there's further information here on the update service regarding package management and exactly what the update service does. We have reached the end of installing the update tool. So next we'll move on to installing the core application. So installing and configuring Nodinite Part 1.